Stop wasting thousands of dollars on design markups and endless back and forth for your next home remodeling or interior design project. This AI tool generates photorealistic concepts for your home remodeling, interior design, home decor, landscaping, floor planning, any home project you can think of in seconds for a fraction of the cost. So you can start building dream homes for you and your clients right now. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you how you can get 20% off your subscription to this tool and how you can make your web browser do all the shopping for you for your next home project so you can get those furniture and supplies a lot faster. So if that sounds good, let's get started. All right, so we're going to be going to ideal.house. And you're going to want to create an account. And then after you do that, just click over here on Get Started for free. And you're going to see all of their tools pop up. So the 4 tools we'll be taking a look at are the interior remodeling, the virtual staging, the exterior renovator, and the smart replacer. But there are tons of feature in here. I mean, you have everything from floor planning, landscaping if you want to plan your garden, AI 3D rendering, I mean everything. But I'm just gonna let you look at these 4 main tools and see what they can do. So let's start with the interior remodeling. Now, this tool is great if you have a room that's already furnished, but you want to see it in a number of different styles. So you can do that by clicking on the interior remodeling and adding a photo. So I'm going to go and choose this bedroom right here. And you're going to select the room type. This is a bedroom. They also have room types for commercial spaces, but we're going to choose home spaces and click bedroom, click confirm. And then the style, this is where all of the magic happens. You can choose between a number of different styles in here. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go over to the Japanese tab and click on Japanese Organic Modern because I just totally love it. And for elements, those are if you want to choose specific pieces of furniture that you want to put inside of the room. Otherwise, you can just leave it up to the AI, which is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click out of there. And now the palette is for colors. If you have a specific color palette in mind, you can choose one of these. You can type in your own color codes, or you can use an image with a color palette, maybe from another room or any type of inspiration to color your room. And after you've got that all settled in, if you want full control and you're really looking to specifically design the room, you can click on looking for anything specific and type in your custom prompt here. But otherwise, we're just going to click on generate, and that'll generate 3 options for you to choose from. Now, I already have some designed for this bedroom, so I'm going to go down and show you some of the ones that I've generated before. For Japanese Organic Modern, we're going to look at the before, and here is the after. All right, nicely done. So as you can see, it kept all of the furniture pieces in the room, the bed, the dressers, the little seat by the window, and different things like that, but it just redid it in the requested style. So as you can see, those items on top of the dresser have been changed out, the seat has been updated, and everything just been kind of redone in that Japanese Organic Modern style. And you can see this is option 2, and let's go over to option 3. So yeah, a really cool and powerful tool if you just want to see a room that's already furnished in a different style. And we're going to close out of there and go over to the second tool. Now, the second tool we're going to use is the virtual staging. Now, this is really good if you have an empty room that you want to put furniture in, or you want to see how it will look with specific furniture items. And so we're going to change our photo to this empty living room right here. And the room type, we're going to change it to living room. And the style, you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to go over maybe to Nordic and choose Nordic Luxe and confirm. Now for elements, again, you can choose which furniture pieces you want to put in this living room, or you can just leave it up to the AI. I'm going to leave it up to the AI, and I'm going to click generate and show you what it's capable of. Now let me show you some of these ones that I've generated before. So for Nordic Luxe, we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to wait for these overlays to disappear. Okay, so here's the before, an empty room, and then here's the after. And it added all of these furniture pieces. And remember, you can always take this generated image, put it in the furniture try-on, and you can swap out the furniture pieces, customize it how you like, and get a really custom tailored concept for either yourself, if you're redecorating, or for a client, to just give them a bunch of different options to choose from. So it's super helpful, super useful. Before, after, here's option 2. And then we're going to look at option 3. Here's a before, and here's the after. All right, and so that's virtual staging. Really good just to see some furniture options for an empty room. The next tool we're going to look at is the exterior renovator. Now, this is really, really useful if you just want to see how the outside of your house can be redone in various styles. So I'm just going to click out of all of these, and I'm going to add a photo of an outside of a house. I'm going to choose this one right here. And for building styles, again, there are so many different options to choose from. You just have to kind of go through and play around with them. Let's click on Scandinavian. And for the environment, you can choose the time of day, the weather, and if you want to put your house or building in a specific location, you can do that as well. I think that's pretty awesome. I'm going to choose dusk for time of day, weather. Let's do snow. And I'm going to leave the location empty because I want it to stay where it is. And for style reference, if you have another house that you were kind of inspired by, or you found like some inspiration, you can import that here as a reference. And again, you can still choose to type in a custom prompt if you really want to get specific. Otherwise, click generate and see what it comes up with. Now, I'm going to show you some things that I've generated right down here and some different styles. So this was the urban futurism style. And let me just show you before and after. So here's the before and here's the after. Pretty nice. Now let's go over to the next option. Here's the before and here's the after. And then the third option, here's the before and here's the after. Really cool, really effective. Now I'm going to show you some other styles, just kind of quickly skimming through those. Here's the barn dominium style. 3 options for that. And here's some more barn dominium. And here's the Scandinavian ones that we just generated. So let's take a look at those. So again, here's the before and here is the after. Wow, that's pretty nice. Let's go over to option 2. Here's the before. Here's the after. Really nice. I like that dark. I like those panels on the roof as well. Really nice touch. And then here's the before. Here's the after. All right. And so that's the exterior renovator. And again, you could use any picture, any angle of your house and just get some ideas for remodeling that for you or for your client. Now, the last tool we're going to be taking a look at is the smart replacer. Now, this is typically really useful if you have a room and say you want to swap out a couch and just replace it with a different couch or a different piece of furniture entirely. But you can also get pretty creative with this one, which is what I did here. And so I actually have this photo of this little desert area right here. And I wanted to imagine a house built into the side of this mountain. So this is really cool if you're an architect and you have a plot of land and you're planning out to build a house, and you just want to play around with some different options or kind of mindscape it a little bit. This could be really helpful in construction. So for this one, I'm going to actually go into my generation history and I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to paste it here. And so basically, you can use AI to kind of come up with your own prompts. But basically, the idea was to get like an urban futuristic house built out of the side of this mountain space where kind of like, there's an opening in the side of the mountain. And the prompt reads like this: an urban futuristic house built into the opening beneath the mountain. The house should seamlessly blend with the surrounding rocky terrain with realistic architecture and lighting. Ensure proper reflections on the cave wall, natural shadows, and accurate details that fit the futuristic aesthetic. The lighting should enhance the high quality, ultra detailed, and sharp focus aspects of the scene. All right, and you're just going to click on generate. I'm sorry. So for this, you actually want to erase the area you want to place. So you want to choose this area right there and then click generate. And it'll generate the house right there where you selected. So I'm going to show you some of these options that I've already generated. Remember, here's the before and here's the after. Pretty nice, pretty cool. Here's the before, here's the after for option 2. Really awesome. I'm really digging the vibe of these houses right here. And then here's the before, here's the after. They even add a little pool out there. And so those were those three options, and then these three options are a little similar, but before, after, here's the before, and here's the after, and here's the before, and here's the after. So I thought that was really cool. You can just play around with that, the smart replacer. Again, not the conventional use for it, but really creative. And again, this tool is just incredibly powerful. Now, let me show you how you can actually shop for the furniture pieces in your room once you've got them fully furnished. So let's head back over to the interior remodeling tool. And I'm going to go down to one of these generations. Let's say this one, and let's just get it full screen. Well, not full screen, but maybe keep it right there. Now, if you're in Google Chrome, what you can do is click right up here on Ask Gemini, and you're going to tell it to give me shopping links to all the furniture in this room. And if you want to be specific on whatever service you're shopping, you could say, give me specific Amazon links, or if you have a specific furniture store you want links to get links to all of those furniture pieces that you want. You can even tell it to compare prices, find the lowest prices, or, you know, whatever you're looking for as far as shopping. So that's super useful. And I just think this tool is incredibly powerful. Ideal House. We haven't even scratched the surface on all of the AI tools that are available inside of it. I mean, you can do, again, landscaping. You can do floor planning for a single room, for an entire house. Choose the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and just an amazing number of things you can do with this tool. And if you want to try it out for yourself, you can click the link in the description to get 20% off your subscription. And let me know if you're using this or any other software in your home design or remodeling, and how AI is becoming useful in your career. So until next time, remember, take chances, make mistakes, and create something incredible. God bless.